Introduction to Fire and Gas Systems. A fire alarm panel, also known as a Fire Alarm Control Panel, FACP, is the central component of a fire alarm system. It monitors inputs from various detection devices and controls outputs to notification appliances, ensuring that building occupants are alerted in the event of a fire or other emergency. Fire alarm panels. 1. Conventional panels group devices into zones and indicate the zone where an alarm is triggered, but not the specific device. 2. Addressable panels identify and monitor each individual device, providing precise information about the location and status of each one. 3. Programmable panels allow customization of responses and integration with other building systems for comprehensive safety management. 4. Integrated panels combine fire alarm functions with other building management systems for a unified approach to safety and security. Functions of a fire alarm panel. 1. Monitoring continuously monitors the status of all connected devices, such as smoke detectors, heat detectors, and manual pull stations. 2. Detection receives signals from initiating devices when they detect smoke, heat, or manual activation. 3. Notification activates alarms, bells, strobe lights, and other notification appliances to alert occupants. 4. Control manages other safety systems, such as shutting down HVAC systems, releasing fire doors, and activating fire suppression systems. 5. Communication sends alerts to emergency services and building management systems.